Hello guys. In this video I want to provide knowledge about off-white products called Temperator. Okay, before continuing I want to introduce myself. My name is Arafi. I am the moderator of this YouTube channel. I discuss about famous brands, or can say about clothing. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks. Founded in 2013 by DJ and fashion designer Virgil Abloh, the Milan-based fashion label, Off-White, was conceived to link the gap between streetwear and high fashion. Titled Temperature, the SS18 collection is mainly centered on high-tech athletic silhouettes, exploring tailored design without losing the streetwear vibe that Off-White is so well known for. Crafted from cotton, this Temperature hoodie from Off-White features a hood with drawstring tie fastenings, drop shoulders, long sleeves, a kangaroo pocket, a cropped length and at diagonals and Temperature print to the sleeves. Designer Style ID, OMBB31S1819202310001. Color, 1001 black/white composition. Outer, cotton 100%. Washing, instructions, machine wash. Wearing model is 1.89 m. Wearing size SM. Designer backstory, Virgil Abloh is responsible for the high-fashion streetwear brand Off-White. Forcing the streetwear crowd to view the urban scene through his disruptive architectural eye, Abloh created a line that combines graphic emblems and Japanese-infused structure for a hype-driven audience. After gaining momentum with his prior brand Pyrex, sold originally in his multi-designer boutique, Virgil used his outlook as a global citizen to create a new concept, inspired by the cross-pollination of current omnichannel media. The outcome was an athletically city-driven line with a high-end, gender-neutral finish. Okay, that was the knowledge about clothing that we can share with all of you. I hope you understand what I have said. With one word, don't equalize or differentiate one brand from another. That is all, and thank you.